Welcome to Textile Technology channel. In this video, we can know about weaving process. Weaving is the forming of fabric by interlacing long threads passing in one direction, with others at a right angle to them textiles woven from linen or wool. Weaving is at the heart of everything Camira produces. The basic process is centuries old. Warp fibers run the length of the fabric. Weft fibers run across the fabric. They alternate under and over to create a classic woven fabric. Warping cones of yarn are loaded into a creel up to 4,520 single threads are then wounded by a warping machine. Group of fibers are loaded side by side. Beaming. When the machine is fully loaded, the wound threads are transferred onto a warp beam. Loading. The warp beam is loaded into the loom, and knotting. Every thread is knotted to an existing warp fiber. Weaving. The warp threads are now ready for weaving. The weft threads are fed from cones on the left-hand side of the machine. Looms. We have three different types of looms: rapier, airjet, and jacquard. Rapier, highly versatile, handles a range of materials. Airjet, high speed, ideal for synthetic fabrics. Jacquard, for intricate patterns. They all share one thing: the shed and opening for weft fibers to pass through. Looms differ in how they transport fibers through the shed. The rapier loom uses a mechanical system to feed yarn across the loom. The airjet loom uses compressed air to propel yarn at high speeds. The jacquard loom is a modified rapier loom. Each warp thread is controlled individually to allow complex pattern weave. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.